Welcome back to our channel, Life Lately by Sheen. This is the day that the Lord has made. We will rejoice and be glad in it. Psalm 118 verse 24. After experiencing wilderness few years back, finally this is it, the Lord's promise. Truly, He is a God of perfect timing. And this time, by His grace, this is permanent. Ito yung pangatlong beses namin nililipat ng tirahan. And every time na kinakailangan namin lumipat, hindi madali na mag-umpisa muli. But every level up and a new chapter needs a starting point. And this was it. Bukod sa pag-empake, isa sa kinaharap namin na matinding challenge ay yung paghahanap ng good tracking service. Kasi marami kaming consider namin kumuha ng private tracking, but then masyado siyang mataas. And ayun, we landed dito sa isang app which is Transportify na maganda yung serbisyo when it comes to tracking service. Kaya sila yung kinuha namin. Mura na, and at the same time, secure pa yung aming mga gamit. And yes, from north to south, then back to north. And now, off to the new crib. Tada! Welcome to our new home. And this is the fulfillment of God's promise and faithfulness to us. Akalain mo, no, sa dami at sa haba ng pinagdaanan namin sa buhay, ito na yung fulfillment ng promise ni Lord sa amin. We never imagined na dadating siya in the span of 5 years. After that tragedy, after that, yung matitinding pagsubok na dumating sa buhay namin. But yun nga, the Lord is faithful. You just have to keep on waiting. Wait patiently and at the same time, obey. Hindi madali yung pinagdaanan, hindi madali yung pag-iintay, pero it's all worth it. Kasi sabi nga, when the Lord gives you something, the blessing from the Lord makes one rich, and He adds no sorrow with it. So ito yung according sa Proverbs chapter 10 verse 22. Pag nagbigay si Lord, He adds no sorrow with it. Yung blessing daw na ma-receive natin will make us rich in every way. Actually, nung dumaan kami sa aming wilderness season o dun sa panahon na grabe yung challenges and breaking hearts talaga yung stories na meron kami. But right now, as much as I would want to share it, siguro sa another vlog na lang. Pero hindi pa kasi ako ready, hindi ko kasi alam kung paano ko ba mapapresent or ma-open to all our subscribers and supporters how generous, how faithful, and how great the Lord is dun sa nangyari sa buhay namin. Right now, ang masasabi ko lang, we were transformed during our wilderness season. O yung panahon na grabe yung mga pagsubok na talagang kung wala ka kay Lord, bibitaw ka or matagal ka nang wala sa mundo. But then, because of God's grace, eto tayo, still standing firm in faith because we have a God who is triumphant and a God who is the owner and source of everything that we have. Ayun, so enough of that. Back dito naman sa ating vlog. Saan na tayo napunta? Ayan, so ang naging kasama ko na makatulong dito ay si Papa at saka yung aking kapatid and yung hipag ko and yung bayaw ko and yung kanyang wife. So, dito, marami pa talagang aayusin. As in, talagang literally, naglipat pa lang kami ng gamit and marami pa kaming aayusin. So, in the coming days or even months, I would really want to share yung aming progress. For now, this is just to inspire everyone or to let others know kung ano yung kayang gawin ni Lord sa buhay natin. Na we just need to keep on believing. We just need to keep on working while praying and waiting patiently. But at the same time, ang keyword lagi is obey.
Hindi ko alam.
Obedience is better than sacrifice. That is one of the most
Nasa taas.
yung matinding learning. Ito yung natutunan ko na, yeah, obedience is better than sacrifice. So, yun nga, may coming vlog sa mga dadating na panahon when we are ready. I-share din namin sa inyo exactly kung ano yung mga pinagdaanan namin. But I hope right now, as you are watching this video, that you will be blessed and you will be inspired to just keep on going, just keep on following and keeping the faith up for the Lord. And ayun, isa pa nga pala sa matindi rin na challenge na na-encounter namin. This is the third challenge na medyo mabigat. Is yun nga, yung magkakaroon ka ng attachment dun sa mga tao na nagkaroon ka ng connection dun sa lugar kung saan kayo nagstay. But then, when you are called to go out doon sa place na yon and finally settle somewhere else, talagang mahirap siya sa pakiramdam. Medyo mabigat siya na, ayun nga, magsisimula na naman kayo sa wala, sa zero, back to zero. Bagong pakikisama, bagong crowd. Pero yun nga, that your faith shouldn't be anchored to any of it, but to God's plans and promise. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. See you on our next vlog. God bless.